On today's episode, we're unboxing this product right here, the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Plug-in Mini. We're also going to review it today and just give you guys a little overview of what it does. Stay tuned. So let's get right to the unboxing, guys. So here we go. I've already taken the plastic wrap off of this. We'll go ahead and pop open the box and I'll show you the unit. I already have one of these set up in my house. I've had it now for about a month, and this thing has been super useful as everything falls out. I really do love this product. This is probably one of the cooler things I've gotten in a long time, probably other than my Google Home. But I'd rather, for presentation purposes, I'm putting it back in the box. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, and I like this one. There's like 3 models to this TP-Link. This is the mini version. So if you look at it, its profile is small enough that you can put it in a plug and not worry about taking up the other empty plug up below it or above it, depending on excuse me, where you put it. So and this is the entire unit. Nothing else comes in the box, except for some product information. Are you happy? And then how to set it up and everything like that. But this is a really cool addition to my smart home setup. So I already have the Google Home. I got a Google Home Mini set up, and I'll do a review of both of those in another video. But this works both with the Google Assistant and Alexa, and I also have an Amazon Tap I used to use, and I'm going to do a versus between the other 2 products. But I mean, this is great. You have everything you wanted to control a switch device, whether it be a lamp or radio, whatever you want to do, right here. There's an app that comes with this that you just download from the Play Store, and it's called Kasa. And that's with a K. It's right here. See, Kasa, and it's on the Apple App Store as well. Excuse me. And it's great. I mean, it works on any 2-pronged outlet. Obviously, if you have more than that, if they're not spaced enough, it'll probably take up space from the other one. But your standard 2-prong outlet, and I'll show you one right here in my house. As you see right there, that 2-prong outlet works perfectly there. Let's go ahead and do a demonstration so you guys can see how easy it is. Go ahead and you plug that in, and there, as you can see, you're ready to go, and it won't take up space for the other plug. And as you can see, it's amber, meaning that it's not connected yet, and now it's flashing, waiting for me to set it up with the Kasa app. So I'll do that in another video. I just wanted to give you guys a breakdown of this right now so you can see it. So as you saw, it's a pretty slim model. This thing allows you to have another port ready available to either plug another one of these in, which you can, or plug in whatever else you want to use. So in order to set this up and control the smart plug, the app is called Kasa, and you can find it on either the Google Play Store or the App Store for Apple. And I gotta say, this is an awesome piece of tech. I can't really compare it to anything else that I've used. I know there's other smart plugs out there, so this is not like a versus or anything like that. But from my review, I like this one a lot. And again, like I said, I can't compare it to anything else. But if you have the money, this is well worth the investment, or any one of the smart plugs. I personally recommend the TP-Link. I will try another one later on, but so far I have not been disappointed with this one. So if you can afford it, go ahead and get this model, and also get the 2-pack. So this usually comes in a 1-pack, I believe a 3-pack, but the 1-pack is usually around 25 to 28 bucks. So US. So that's kind of expensive for these, but I know that these smart plugs aren't cheap right now. But once you find the 2-pair, go ahead and purchase it. And like I said, I got mine for about 35 bucks online, and I'll put a link in the description of where I got it from. But on Amazon, I think it's about 40 bucks right now. But this is a quick review and a unboxing of the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. So that's my take on tech. What's yours, guys? See you in the next vid. Later.